Good morning, students. Welcome to Pole Science class. And today we are going to discuss the question answers of first assignment of second chapter, the end of biopolarity. So first of all, we shall discuss very short answers questions. So let us start. First question is, when did socialist Soviet came into existence? This system came into existence after Russian Revolution 1917. Question second, which party was dominant over Soviet political system? So your answer is Communist Party. Question number third, what was the chief priority of a state according to Soviet system? The chief priority of a state according to Soviet system was establishment of socialism, because in this system there was no procedure of private property. Everything was under the control of state. Your question number four, which what kind of economy was USSR? Your answer is the economy was planned and controlled by the state, because state has supreme power. Question number fifth, how many republics were involved in Soviet Union? So Soviet Union was a group of 15 republics, means 15 republics were involved in Soviet Union. Question number 6, who was the chief secretary of Communist Party in the middle of 1980? So your answer is Mikhail Gorbachev. Question 7, Eastern European countries came into which bloc? So your answer is Soviet bloc. Question number 8, when was the wall of Berlin broken? The answer of this question is on the first page of second lesson, 9th November 1989. Question number 10th, which republics announced the disintegration of Soviet Union? Russia, Ukraine and Belarus. Question number 11th, which republics wanted to stay with Soviet Union? So your answer is Middle Asian republics. Question number 12, who played an important role in the disintegration and coup against Soviet Union? So your answer is Soviet leader Boris Yeltsin. Question number 13, who was accepted the heir of Soviet Union? Heir means successor, means Uttaradhikari. So the answer of this question is Russia. Russia was accepted as the heir of the Soviet Union. Question number 14, who had directed shock therapy model? World Bank and IMF, means International Monetary Fund. Question number 15, in which two republics did secessionist movement hold? Your answer is Chechnya and Dagestan. Question number 16, where did extensive struggle happen in Balkan area? So your answer is in Yugoslavia. Question number 17, in Middle Asia for how long did Tajikistan remain under the influence of civil war? So your answer is 10 years, means from 1990 to 2001. Question number 18, write the full form of CIS. Other word you can say what is the full form of CIS, Commonwealth of Independent States. Question number 19, in which two parts did the Czechoslovakia split? First Czechs and second Slovaks. Question number 20, for how many years did Bill Clinton act as the president of USA? So Bill Clinton was the president of USA for 8 years. He belonged to Democratic Party. Now come to second type. Now we shall discuss very short answer questions. So first question, what was Soviet system? Actually this system came into existence after Russian Revolution in 1917. The revolution was inspired by the ideal of socialism and the need for an egalitarian society. So this attempt was to abolish the institution of private property and consciously design a society based on the principle of equality. This was the system of Soviet system. Question number second, what do you understand by Second World? Very important question. After the Second World War, the nations of Eastern Europe came under the control of USSR. So Soviet army had liberated them from fascist forces. The political and economical system of all these countries were modeled, means based as per USSR political and socialist ideals. So this group of countries were termed called as Second World or Socialist Bloc. Question number third, which was the largest garage sale in the history of Soviet Union? It was the result of shock therapy in Russia. In Russia, the large state-controlled industrial complex almost collapsed. Means industrial system of Russia had totally collapsed down. As per 90% of its industries were put up for sale to private individuals and companies. And since the structuring was carried out through market forces and not by the government, the direct industrial policies. It led to the disappearance of industries virtually, and this was called the largest garage sale in history, as valuable industries were undervalued and sold at the throwaway prices. Question number four. What write a brief description of Vladimir Lenin? Yeah, who was Vladimir Lenin? Vladimir Lenin was a young theorist. Karl Marx's theory of communism inspired him. He founded Bolshevik Communist Party of Russia. In 1917, he became founder head of the Soviet Union by revolutioning against capitalism. He was an outstanding theoretician and practitioner of Marxism and succeeded in providing it a behavioral existence. He was the inspiration for many communists all over the world. Your next question is question number fifth. Who was Joseph Stalin? Joseph Stalin is known to be the successor, means here of Lenin. The credit of leading the Soviet Union during its consolidation goes to him. He introduced rapid industrialization and forcible collectivization of agriculture during his period 1924 to 53. Stalin was held responsible for the authoritarian functioning and elimination of rivals within the party. So that's why he is considered as a great terror of the 1930s. Question number 6. Write a short note on Nikita Khrushchev. So, who was Nikita Khrushchev? He was the president of Soviet Union from 1953 to 1964. So after Joseph Stalin, he was a strong opponent of Stalin's leadership style. He introduced some reforms in 1956 He suggested the philosophy of peaceful coexistence while trying to improve relation with the West during the Cold War. Limited Test Ban Treaty means LTBT was introduced in his period. He suppressed popular rebellion in Hungary and involved in Cuba Missile Crisis. It was due to the wise decision of Khrushchev and Kennedy that world was saved from the Third World War during Cuba Missile Crisis. So he was a great person. Question number 7. What do you mean by shock therapy? Very important question from exam point of view also. The collapse of communism was followed in most of these countries by a painful process of transition from an authoritarian socialist system to a democratic capitalist system. The model of transition in Russia, Central Asia, and East Europe, guided by the World Bank and the IMF, came to be known as shock therapy. Actually, it was a painful process to convert the system, to change the system from socialism to capitalism. And your last question, why was USSR disintegrate? It's very important question from exam point of view because the in second chapter we discussed this question in detail. The USSR could not satisfy public with its socialist policies. So due to this, the people raised their voices against socialist rule. The 8 Eastern Europe countries involved in USSR bloc and thus changed socialist rule due to the behavior of public. Since it happened because of public and not because of military incapability, there was no other way in front of USSR than to stay silent and accepted or this disintegration. So students, we have discussed near about 28 questions. So write plus learn all these questions because all these questions will help you to express your views related to any incident of this lesson. So listen this recording twice and thrice to understand all the questions. Thanks and have a nice day.